Crafting is a wonderful way to reduce stress and relax your mind. Whenever you feel worried, tired, or full of tension, leave everything for a little while and start crafting. You don't need expensive things or complicated tools. Simple bottles, jute rope, stones, plants, and a few creative ideas can turn an ordinary day into a peaceful and beautiful experience. Crafting gives your mind something positive to focus on and can make you feel calm, fresh, and happy. Today, we are going to explore beautiful DIY craft ideas that can make your home look warm and creative. We will use simple bottles, natural jute rope, stones, greenery, and beautiful little details. One of the easiest ideas is decorating an empty glass bottle with jute rope. Wrap the rope gently around the bottle and add a small decorative flower or leaf. It can become a beautiful vase or for your home. Jute robe has very natural and charming look. It can make simple objects look rustic, cozy, and elegant. You look take an old bottle that you normally throw away and give it a completely new life. Add jute robe around the middle decoration, the top with a small bow, and piece a beautiful plant inside. Suddenly, something ordinary becomes a lovely piece of home decoration. Money plants are also perfect for bottle craft. You can place a money plant cutting in a clean glass bottle filled with water and decorate the outside with jute rope. The green leaves look beautiful with the natural texture of the rope. This simple decoration can bring a fresh and peaceful feeling to a room without spending much money. There is something special about creating beautiful from things we already have at home. An empty bottle may look useless, but creativity can completely change its appearance before throwing something away. Ask yourself, can I turn this into something beautiful? Sometimes the answer is yes, and your next favorite decoration may be waiting inside your recycling box. Stones can also become wonderful craft materials. Collect a few smooth stones and clean them properly. You can paint simple flowers, leaves, hearts, or cut patterns on them. These painted stones can be placed around plant pots, on shelves, or beside decorative bottles. Simple ideas can create surprisingly beautiful results. Another lovely idea is a small stone garden decoration. Place different sized stone around the money plant or another indoor plant. Add a jute rope covered bottle beside and create tiny natural corner. This kind of decoration can make a simple table or shelf look peaceful and attractive. Crafting is not only about making beautiful things, it is also about enjoying the process. When your hands are busy creating something your mind gets a chance to slow down. You can forget your worries for a little while and enjoy each small steps. Sometimes a quiet afternoon with simple craft material can feel more refreshing than a busy day. Imagine sitting near a window with a bottle, some jute rope, a few stones, and a small plant. There is no need to hurry. Take your time, enjoy the process, and let your creativity guide you. Might make a perfect decoration, or you might make something completely different. Both are okay because the real beauty is in creating. It's an amazing different ideas, and here is another simple bottle idea. Cover the bottle part of a bottle with jute rope and leave a small section of glass visible. Fill the bottle with decorative stones and place a small plant cutting inside. The combination of glass, natural rope, stones, and green leaves create a beautiful handmade decoration. You can also make a matching set of 3 bottles, use 3 different sizes, and decorate each one with rope in a slightly different patterns. Add small plants or flowers and place them together on a table. Matching handmade decoration. can give your home a coordinated and stylish appearance. If you love natural home decoration, stone and jute rope are wonderful choices. Their earthy appearance can make a space feel warm and comfortable. You can combine them wooden pieces, dried flowers, green plants, or simple candles to create a peaceful decorative corner. Sometimes we think that beautiful home decoration must be expensive, but creativity teaches us something different. You can create something very simple materials. An old bottle, a piece of rope, and a few stones may cost every little, but you put them together with love and patience. They can look truly special. Crafting can also teach us patience. When wrapping jute rope around a bottle, you have to move slowly and carefully. When painting stones, you need to wait for the paint to dry. These little moments teach us not to rush everything. Good things often take time, and handmade beauty becomes more meaningful because you created it yourself. Hope you like all ideas in collection, and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos. So leave your worries for a little while and start creating. And remember, beautiful homes are not created only with expensive furniture. They are also created with love, creativity, memories, and personal touches. A handmade bottle with a money plant can carry more meaning than a costly decoration because it represents your own time and creativity. Let every craft remind you that you create something beautiful from simple things. Let every green leaf bring a little freshness, every stone bring a natural touch, and every piece of jute rope add warmth to your decoration. Small creative moments can make ordinary days feel more enjoyable. So leave your worries for a little while and start creating. Take a deep breath, choose your favorite craft idea, and enjoy the process. Crafting can give you a peaceful creative break. Help you slow down and feel your surroundings. With jute handmade decorations, keep creating, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying the little things. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for supporting my channel. And do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's a very amazing, highly demanding and very creative party Christmas and different burlap craft ideas. All ideas is very creative, most beautiful and demanding. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Take care and goodbye. Thank you so much.